In this assembly, I will talk about my great-grandfather. He was born and raised in the East German region called Uckermark. He was then, in 1943, recruited by the Wehrmacht and was sent off to the Eastern Front. In spring of 1945, the Russians captured him and sent him off to the Eastern working camps in Siberia called Gulags. But before leaving Poland, he and fellow German prisoners of war were able to flee, and after a few days just managing to forage food and travel by night westwards, they suddenly stopped in a farmhouse to ask for food. These two young men in German uniforms, not speaking a word of Polish, meeting a Polish woman at Gloucester. She had lost her husband in the war, but she didn't send them away, nor thought that she would report them to the Russians. But rather she gave them food and new clothes. And the most important thing, small icon featuring the Holy Mother's Mary. And they went on their own way back to Germany. In this way, they all needed to show this icon, and the people of Poland gave them food and placed wunderbar. When he arrived back in his hometown Strasbourg, not the French one, but there's a German Strasbourg as well, Nazi Germany lost the war and was now under control by the Allies. He took over the leather factory of his father, married the second father of my grandfather. But after 1994, he and many other industrialists and landowners were expropriated and feared imprisonment by the new socialist rulers of the GDR. So he packed his bags and together with his family, they flew to visit Berlin Warner, and built himself a new life in the western part of Germany in a town called Weyland. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to meet him because he died in the 1949. But the icon stays in my family and reminds us of this great goodness. Thank you very much.